they all might be terrific.
There you go, as you can see that was this one I've just now seen this time. That was the Aeroplane one I've just now seen. There he is, you can see that plane here, that was Robin HR.200-160. We've just now finally seen this time, that was a Aeroplane we've just now seen. As you can see, the rate is G-BYNK. And as you can see here, he flew. There we go, wait, there you go. He's flown here to about 15,000 feet to 16,000 feet. There is, as you can see now, he's just now flying at pan level. So yep. So as you can see, look, I think it probably looks like it's about to turn around or something there. Now he's just going towards Devon, but it looks as if. As you can see, he's just departed at his usual base, Bodmin Airfield, where as you can see he took off at 5:36. He just took off at 5:36 at Bodmin Airfield, which that's the time he took off at 5:36. I think it looks like now he's pulling, don't know whether it looks like he's about to come back or something, I'm not sure. I know he's still looping. So yep. That was a plane we saw last time, apparently that was the last time we saw this plane. Well, since around Saturday we saw it. That was the plane we saw last time though. As you can see, there was this one here. As you can see now, it's just dropped to 14,000 feet. And you can see it's going from not available, as you can see, it's going from not available to not available. Which you can see, it probably has took off at Bodmin Airfield. It's come from the same local, but as you can see, I'm looking on flight radar 24. So it's come from Bodmin Airfield, and then on ADXB, also Bodmin Airfield. So yep, that was the fourth aircraft I've now seen. That was G-BYNK Robin HR200. I've just now seen. So yep, thanks for watching. Bye bye.